Welcome to this video on how to make a powerful vision board for financial success. A vision board is a tool that can help you visualize your financial goals and stay motivated towards achieving them. In this video, we will show you how to create a vision board that will help you manifest your financial dreams. Before we start creating your vision board, let's understand what exactly it is. A vision board is simply a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It serves as a constant reminder of what you want to achieve and helps you stay focused on your goals. A vision board can be made up of pictures, quotes, affirmations, and anything else that inspires you. The first step in making a vision board for financial success is getting clear on what your financial goals are. It's important to be specific and realistic about what you want to achieve. Some examples of financial goals can be saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or starting a business. Once you have a clear idea of your goals, start collecting images and quotes that represent them. The images and quotes you choose for your vision board should inspire and motivate you towards your financial goals. Choose images that represent the lifestyle you want to have, such as a dream home or a fancy car. Quotes should be empowering and positive, such as "I am worthy of wealth, and abundance or money flows easily and effortlessly into my life." Now that you have your goals and images, it's time to create your vision board. You can use a poster board or a digital platform like Canva. Arrange your images and quotes in a way that feels aesthetically pleasing to you. You can also add personal touches like stickers or washi tape to make it more unique to you. Now that you've created your vision board, it's time to start visualizing and manifesting your financial success. Spend a few minutes each day looking at your vision board and really feeling the emotions of achieving your goals. Imagine yourself already having the financial success you desire. This practice will help you stay motivated and focused on your financial goals.